Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is the drawing winner for the Amanda's Patriot blanket. I don't want to say it's a giveaway because it's really not a giveaway. You won a contest. I mean, it's just a drawing, but anyway, it's not sponsored by anybody but me because I think I have to say that for YouTube. And it's a Facebook giveaway, but I needed to make a video to show that I put everybody's name. There were 10 names, and I put them in this little bag, and I will draw one, but I thought maybe first you'd like to see what you're winning. I have 2 of these Karen latte cakes. The color is, I'm not sure. The color is Starfruit. It is a number 5 bulky. Machine wash and dry, 58% acrylic, 42% nylon, 250 grams, 8.8 ounces, 530 yards. If you knit, you can make this with one ball. It's upside down. And if you crochet, I think this is crocheted, you can make this with one ball. And with 2 balls, you could make them both. Or cakes, I should say. So, anyway, I have these 2 cakes, and that's what the winner of Amanda's Patriotic blanket is going to win. And I just thought I would do a little quick, I put all the names. There were 10 names. So we're just going to draw one out. And I will post this video to Facebook, to my Facebook group page, but I will also instant message the winner. But if you don't have Messenger, Facebook Instant Messenger, then you're gonna probably have a problem getting that. But anyway, here is the winner. I hope that's not backwards to you. I can't read it. The winner is Judy Kozar McKinstry. So Judy, congratulations on your win. I will, like I said, instant message you. You will have to send me your mailing address via instant messenger. You could just reply, or you can send me an email to my email address, charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com. And then I will gladly send you these 2 latte cakes as your prize winning. Thank you guys so much for participating in my make along, I guess. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. I enjoyed creating the pattern, and all of your makes turned out so pretty. I just got out of the shower. Look at my hair. It's a disaster. It needs a cut. So anyway, that's all I really have to say for this particular video. Congratulations again, Judy. And contact me, and I'll send you this in the mail. Give it a week. Today is Sunday. Hold on, I have a calendar right here. Sunday. Oh wait, it's got to be the 16th because the drawing ended yesterday. So it's got to be Sunday the 16th. So by next Sunday the 23rd, please get back to me, or I will pick a different name out of the little names here. Okay? So have a great rest of your day. There might be a couple more videos today. We'll see. All right. Have a good one. Bye.